What's up guys, Eric here. Today I'll be going to unbox the X-Men Design Tornado V3M. And this one is the Pioneer version. So let's get right into it. Alright, so for the box you can see the logo and the kind of design. And yeah, pretty beautiful box. And let's open it. Alright, so first we have the cube here and accessory box. Yeah. And let's take a look at the accessory box. We have a card here, cloth, pamphlet. This is the tool. Oh, and we have a bag also. Pretty nice bag with the logo on it. And another pamphlet. Yeah. Alright, so here's the cube. Alright. Let's do some first turns. Alright, so first out of the box, the cube is very fast. Then actually very quiet. It's very smooth, very controllable, and it's very pleasant to turn. Yeah, it's very good out of the box. Alright, let's check out some corner cutting. So forward corner cutting 45. Somewhere along it. Pretty good. Reverse. Around here. It's very good. Pretty effortless to corner cut, which is pretty good. Which is a plus. Alright, and let's open a center cap. Well, it's a bit difficult to open. Here we go. So you can see here we have two sets of numbers. It's the same as other CE cubes. So the inner number is the axis distance, which is the higher the number, the more tight it goes. And the outer number is the tension of the spring, or this is the magnet, so of the magnets, like how tight it holds the cubes together. And you can just use this handle to tension. Yeah. And this cube you can also adjust the magnet strength. So here you can see 5 different slots. So for the minus is weakest and then the plus is the strongest. Alright, so if you put the 2 here and turn clockwise, you have the strongest setting. And if you turn the other way, you have the weaker setting. So it's pretty easy to use. So this cube, it has the maglev, and also it has the corner to the core magnets. So pretty cool. And let's just do a quick soft. The colors are very vibrant. Yeah. Let's do a quick soft. Alright. So 3, 2, 1, go. Right, so this is pretty much here for this Tornado V3M Pioneer version unboxing. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time for more. Bye.